Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to change language in Wolt. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what we're going to do firstly is to actually close our Wolt app, and instead we're going to go into the settings app on our phone. And now on the settings app, what we're going to do is to just simply scroll all the way down until we can see apps, and that should be all the way down here as you can see. So click on apps, and then you should be taken to this page, which is perfect. So on this page, we're just going to actually click on the search bar up top because it's going to make it much easier for us to find it. So just search for Wolt and click on the app here. And then you should be taken to this page, which is great. So on this page, just scroll down a little bit until you can see where it says language. So click on language. And in here, as you can see, you can choose to whatever language that you want to be able to choose to instead. And basically, we can take, for example, Swedish here as an example. And now my Wolt app will be in Swedish instead. And that is basically exactly how to change language in Wolt.